I'm Philip, co-founder and CEO of Glasskube. Package management is a daily challenge for Kubernetes admins, but the currently used package managers aren't evolving as quickly as other CI/CD processes and software application lifecycle solutions. That's where we come in. Let me show you what the next generation package manager for Kubernetes looks like. First, we're going to start by spinning up a fresh Minikube cluster. Then, let's install the Glasskube CLI via Homebrew, or you could also download the binaries from the website or GitHub releases. Before moving forward, we need to bootstrap Glasskube. Glasskube has a client-side and a server-side component. When you run the CLI, it recognizes if the server-side component is missing and will bootstrap it by fetching all the necessary manifests and ensuring the server-side Glasskube component is ready and installed in your Kubernetes cluster. Now that Glasskube is installed, we see that it already supports several packages. We can explore packages using the Glasskube serve command, which opens the UI in the browser. From there, you can easily install any package. For example, let's install Argo CD and manage further Glasskube packages using the GitOps approach. You can install any version, enable auto updates, and install Argo CD. You'll see it up and running shortly. Next, we'll install the Kubernetes dashboard, which is a great tool for visualizing what's happening inside the Kubernetes cluster. Here we have installed version 2.7. You can access the installed instance via the CLI or console like so. We prioritize having clear lines of communication with users by allowing you to comment or react to packages right in the console. This information is stored in GitHub discussions. Now, let's install Captain, an open source deployment lifecycle tool for Kubernetes. We will use the GitOps approach this time. We'll navigate to Argo CD, get our initial Argo CD admin password, and log in. Glasskube provides an open command for port forwarding and open the browser directly so you can easily log in. Next, we want to add the package. Here I have a sample repository, but you can easily create your own. Every package in Glasskube is a custom resource, where you can specify the version, name, deployment, and configuration values. We'll create the application by running the Argo app create command and see it in Argo CD in real time. Argo CD first installs Cert Manager, since Captain in the Glasskube package version depends on it. All other packages using Cert Manager will reference to the same dependency. We'll see Cert Manager being installed this time, and once it's ready, Captain is gonna be installed. Glasskube also enables easy package customization. As we can share here, no need to fiddle with complicated value YAML files. For your KGPT instance, you can easily add your Open API token directly via the CLI or UI. We recently shipped the multi-repository feature. So instead of referencing only from the official Glasskube package repository, you are free to add additional package repositories with the Glasskube repo command. This can be private and secured with custom authentication. Check it out and let us know what you think.